one of the safety features of this machine is that you have to have the seat belt into the latched, right? Or it won't operate the bucket, which I don't operate it without doing that, but this thing is so touchy now, I can't get it to it won't stay buckled. Even my seatbelt's buckled, which I always do, it thinks it's not. And so you can't operate the bucket without that thing in there. Oh, come on now. So it's got to be buckled. And you can tell if it's buckled because there's a little seatbelt light. What? It's off. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yep. Alrighty. I'm gonna burn up these little logs because they're big and I didn't want to try to split them any more than that. Hey, have a great day. Thanks for watching.